Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I've had this hair for about 2 years and it is in need of some TLC. The inside of it is heavily tangled, the closure is balding, and it's just struggling, like legit on life support at this point. So I just wanted to show you guys how I'm going to bring it back to life. This is a wig that I constructed myself, and I'll leave all the details in the description box below. The first thing I'm going to do is wash it with some cheap shampoo, and notice how I'm not scrubbing but rather washing it in the direction of the curls. This helps it to not tangle even more than it already is. Now I'm going to drown this wig in some conditioner, and I actually really love this stuff. I got it from the dollar store. The brand is Salon Selective, and it literally works miracles on all of my wigs. Then I'm going to put the wig in a plastic bag and put it in the microwave to do some intense deep conditioning. I ended up leaving it in there for 1 minute and 30 seconds, then let it sit outside of the microwave for about 5 minutes. Now to detangle. When I tell y'all, it took me at least 30 minutes to detangle this hair, let alone I was finding out that some of my tracks weren't even sewn down in some spots. There was so much shedding, but luckily this hair is bomb and you could barely tell once I started styling it. Once the hair is all detangled and rinsed out, I'm going to blow dry the hair. Then I'm going to go in and sew in any of those stray tracks that I found.
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your tax. Owe me back like 40 acres to blacks. Pay me back when you shake it like that, girl.
Surely, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice.
Yeah.
Now let's say you owe.
Yeah, owe me back like you.
Using my wand curler that I got from Walmart years ago, I'm going to wand curl the entire wig. Since my wig is low-key bald in the front, I decided to cut in some bangs. To measure it, I put the wig back on my head and started cutting. I never cut too high up, especially when I'm curling the hair, because I like when the curls are directly above my glasses. Once I curl it, I can definitely cut more if necessary.
Don't be fooled by the rocks that I got. I'm still Jenny from the block. Used to have a little, now I have a lot. No matter where I go, I know where I came from.
Now that I'm done curling it, I'm just going to fluff the curls out a little bit. I put oil on my fingers, not a lot, just so that it won't get too frizzy. And that's it, guys. Here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs this video up, and share. Thank you so much for watching.
Don't be